Hey gang, welcome to Big Robb's Brewing Workshop. Today we are going to show you exactly how to gelatin fine a beer step by step. If you like clear beer, this video is for you. Okay guys, very simple, works incredibly well. If you like clear beer, absolutely go with the gelatin fining. It's just fining, it's just your Knox gelatin that your mom, your grandma would have used to bake whatever the hell they would have baked with it. So you pick up a pack of that. You're going to use, because we're doing a 5-gallon batch, we're going to use 1 full teaspoon of the gelatin. Okay, very simple. So you get yourself the gelatin. You're going to need a way to measure your temperature because we're going to heat up the mixture. You want yourself a sanitized teaspoon, and you want half a cup of water. So to start out, all we're going to do is we're going to take that 1 teaspoon of the mixture, and we're going to put it in the cold water. Some people will heat it up first. I don't do that. I do the more traditional baking way. Not that I'm a baker by any dang means, but this is the way I do it. You put it in here, you let it bloom, they call it. Don't know what that means. Don't ask. Look it up yourself. We get her in the cold water. We let her sit for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to slowly heat it up in my microwave up to 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. You want this mixture to get to, and then we're going to pour it in. Okay, so that's where your good old digital thermometer is going to come into play. Last time I did it for a 1-gallon batch, and it got up to temperature within about 30 seconds in the microwave. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we will come back for the next step, which is very simple. We're going to dump the mixture into the old fermenter, cover it back up with our this is just a sandwich bag, saran wrap, cling wrap, whatever you have. It's got an elastic on it, keeps the air, keeps the dirt out of it. We're going to get back in the fermenter for this will go back until I'm ready to bottle it, but I would leave it in there minimum of 48 hours, if not 72. So we shall be right back. Okay, so we're back. We've got the gelatin heated up. Took about, I used a little more water, obviously, than I did with the 1 gallon. I can't remember how much that was, but this took about 40 seconds instead of 30 seconds. So he's all heated up, ready to go. The bloom happened, whatever the hell that is. And next step, guys, very simple. You just get it in here. You don't have to stir it. You don't have to do anything. Just pour it into your mixture, your wort. And again, keeping in mind that, and put your cover back on. And again, this is just a sandwich bag with elastic holding it down. Keep in mind that you want to, before you add the gelatin, you need to have cold crashed your beer for at least 24 hours because you want to have it at fridge temperatures before you add the gelatin. And that is exactly how you fine your beer with gelatin. It does a great job. I do all kinds of fining stuff because I like my beer clear unless I'm trying to do a hazy. I will link, I have 5 top ways that are my favorite. I will link that video, or the link to that blog post under this video, so you can check that out. If you're new to homebrewing, be sure to check out my free, I give it away, Beginner Brewers Bootcamp. Teach you all the basics of brewing, how to make good tasting beer at home. And if you've been brewing for a while or you want to jump into all green, I also used to own a brew pub, and I give away my top 5 personal best-selling recipes from my brew pub, so you can pick those up. Also, the links for both of those are under this video. Any questions, reach out. That's it. Big Robb, he gone.